Meet Notion is one of the best Android note-taking apps you can download on Google Play, and it is because of the enormous versatility it has. This application allows you to create note pages and in turn have subpages inside. In addition, there are a lot of formats in which to write things down, such as checkbox lists, code, and even equations. It is an exceptional application with which you can organize everything you need in a simple way. In addition, it has application for Windows and iOS, as well as web version, so your devices will be synchronized perfectly. In my personal opinion, the best app you can download this 2020. So one of the objectives of Notion is to give us in a single space all the tools that a team needs, although it is possible to use it as a very flexible personal notepad. The steps are: first, go to your App Store and download Notion. When you open the app, the first step you will have to do is to continue, in this case with your email, and create your account. Following this step and while loading the app, what you should do is to choose for myself whether it will have a personal use. Here we go. Click Next to the next steps. In the upper left you will see 3 lines. Click and read the options. In Quick Note you can quickly create your tasks. In the personal part, Home, organize your tasks. And in the part of Reading, list notes according to each box your tasks to do. On the top right you will find the Share button. And also 3 points where you can modify the lyrics of your notes.